Hi all. Today I'm here with a course on mainframe. So before entering into the course content, let us see what is a mainframe. A mainframe is a computer system which is very reliable, secure, available, and serviceable. The name mainframes comes from an enormous room-sized metal boxes or frames in which they were housed. Why the mainframes are reliable or why the mainframes are available? The reason being the mainframes are available is because it can run continuously 24 by 7, 360 days, and that too up to around more than 30 years. That makes the mainframe unique. And also, it is very reliable. It processes large workloads with very high speed, that is 80 million instructions per second. That too in a secure way. If there is any glitch or if there is any thing went wrong, then it shut down itself. The process shut down itself automatically. There is also one more unique feature which the mainframe is having, and it is serviceable. So hardware can be replaced if there are any issues with the sensor or other hardware. Then it can be replaced without stopping the server. They are very huge in size initially, and due to their enormous size, they were also known as big iron or dinosaurs. But today, our mainframes are in size of a large refrigerator. Here you can see some mainframe systems. Now coming to the applications of the mainframe. Mainframe is widely used in various industries like banks, healthcare industries, insurance industries, retailers, IT companies, postal services, auto manufacturing units, airline, and booking, railway ticket bookings. More than 90 of the top 100 banks in the world uses mainframe. The reason being its availability, security, serviceability, and reliability. Retailers use mainframe to track inventory and process sales transactions, whereas insurance and healthcare sectors or industries they rely much on data. So mainframe is used to store, analyze, and handle the data, and also process this huge volume of data. 90% of insurance companies, healthcare companies, banks, more than 90% uses mainframe. And many of the state and local governments are also uses mainframe to monitor the data. This is the importance of the mainframe. And why we are going with the mainframe? Even many technologies are coming, but as a mainframe, it is very old software which is there from 1950s, but still it is being used. The reason being its high speed processing. Here you can see Google can search over Google processes over 3 billion searches per day, but whereas mainframe process over 300 billion transactions per day. That is over 100 times that of the Google. And mainframe is very reliable. There is one more important reason why the mainframes are still existing. And mainframe architecture are also made very reliable. So one example is here, if there is an error in processing, the processor can detect it and can shut down the processor. The other process in the mainframe will keep on working because there will be hundreds of processes inside the mainframe, and even we'll be having a very 32 TB RAM inside it. So when there is an error, that processor can detect and it can shut down that processor. So it is a unique process that identifies its own fault and shut down itself. So it will not allow any def- defect to be there. So that is one more important thing. And even these mainframe systems, which are placed in a big metal frames, they can withstand heavy earthquakes as well. So this is one more feature of the mainframe. And these are the reasons why the mainframes are still being used. And apart from that, we have lots of reasons and lots of functions which you can see in the link here. If you go to the IBM website, there you can see what are all the things which we can do, or who are the people who are using these mainframes that we can see. So this is the importance of the mainframe and introduction to the mainframe. With this, let's end our mainframes introduction session.